find my way to get back on my shit. And if I learned a couple lessons, learn to never love it.
I don't know what you heard about me.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Daytona Keys. I'm back at it again, but this video is gonna be real special to me. I got my guys right here. I got 392 Rico.
Yo.
I got Cuban SRT. Put the camera on you.
And me.
What's going on? We're bringing y'all an exhaust comparison video. I know a lot of y'all want to know what y'all car gonna sound like when y'all get these mods. A muffler delete, resonator delete, catless. Got something special for y'all too. We're not gonna bring that up. Y'all tap in for the rest of the video. Stay tuned.
Hey, hold on. Tell me you Rico without telling me you Rico. That's my signature move. What's going on? Cuban SRT back with now I'm playing. This quizzes video, man. You already know, man. So
I'm Rico.
we got the Cuban SRT HELLCAT on the video today, man. So basically what we're talking about, I guess, what's your car gonna sound like when you do these mods? So this is stock now I'm playing, it's not stock. So all I did was mid muffler delete, and the resonators. That cost me, if you're looking for the price range, you know, we real transparent with price, man. About $350, you probably get it done cheaper if you know the right guy. You already know what I'm saying. Sell drugs on the side. No, I'm playing. So if $350 for the deletes and everything. We about to start it up so you guys can hear. I don't really have a comparison, but if you want a comparison, you can just look up a stock HELLCAT. They sound like Priuses, bruh. Only thing you gonna hear on a stock HELLCAT is the whine when you're driving. They don't sound loud unless you do these mods to it. That RT sound louder than this cat. Alright, man, you already know, man. Yeah! Look, you know what I'm saying? That's a signature move right there. So boom, 392 Rico. I just see it in the car. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Nobody. Mr. Goddamn, stay out the way type shit. On my chase shit. Mr. Goddamn, what's it called? Get right or get left. Mr. Let me stop. So boom, this is a 392 wide body SCATPACK. What I got done to it? I got a mid muffler delete. I got a resonator delete. I got a rev limiter off. I got a stage 2 tune. I got a pops and bangs tune. And I got a, what's it called, governor taken off. But I still got my cat, so you know what I'm saying. We gonna rev it up a little bit, spend like $5 on gas, revving it, you feel me? So, boom, stay tuned. Shit, you feel me?
Ow. Damn. I'm stopped.
Hello?
Now we talking about my baby. This is a 2017 Daytona RT. She stopped, and she look good. She a little dirty right now, but she look good. So I'm gonna let y'all know what it sound like when you got a resonator delete, muffler delete, no cats. That's about it. Oh, SCATPACK throttle body, and of course a basic intake. Nothing special, basic intake. loudest RTs you ever heard of. Y'all tap in, y'all see what the shirt says. Just take out the S. But y'all see what the shirt says. Y'all tap in, man. We got more coming with y'all. We're gonna have link up with the gang, and then we're gonna wait. Before y'all go, we got one more person, special guest.
What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. Goddammit. We got What's up, y'all? TBR Jason. We got a 5.0. You know, nothing crazy done. I got an X pipe and I have MBRP back-to-back exhaust. So sounds pretty good for a 5.0, but other than that, it's pretty stock. Sound good? Cuban got anything to say, man?
Why am I not turning into Rico? It's not working.
Hold on, you ready? You ready? Oh, you ready?
Right,
Little editing magic.
I think it's gonna work right now.
Oh, it worked.
Hold on, don't get the shoes out. They crush
Hold
it,
on.
bro. Yeah,
My bad. We edit.
Like he said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. We all going up. Cuban SRT 392 Rico. Daytona Keys, TBR Jason, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come on now. Yeah, don't get it wrong. Type shit. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
As y'all can see, that's the difference between everybody exhaust from a Mustang 5.0 to an RT. Got that knick-knack SCATPACK. Loud. Super loud. You might lose your hearing when you go behind this. And of course, you got Dodge's baby, that HELLCAT. Put in the comments what you think was the best sounding car. What mods do you recommend? Any questions that you may have? You already know what it is. Tap in with your boy Daytona Keys. We got 392 Rico. We got Cuban SRT. And we got TBR Jason. But y'all make sure y'all tap in with all of us, bro. Stay with the gang. Stay tuned in. We all got YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tap in. We got a lot more coming to y'all. And we got a little surprise coming in about the 30 days. We got a little surprise. Y'all tap in for that too.
Bet you know she coming on your dick, and when she leaves, she gonna act like nothing never really happened at all. Oh, never happened at all.